Okay, so this video is for creating effective assertions or topic sentences. We are going to start getting into a lot of writing next week, and so this is to prep you for that. Okay. So I want to start out our lesson by going over the purpose, why we're doing this. This lesson is going to help us analyze, which means examine, topic sentences, and this also helps us recognize the fundamental elements of each topic sentence. So we've got three core elements: the concrete, the abstract, and strong verbs. These three things will help us to form solid, effective topic sentences. And we're also going to learn how a topic sentence has to relate to what's called a thesis statement. Okay, so let's start breaking some of these things down into smaller bits so that we can understand it a little easier. First of all, a thesis statement, right here, addresses the writing prompt. When I say a writing prompt, your language teachers in the past have given you different essays or paragraphs that you had to write, and the writing prompt was what guided you, what told you, or it told you what you were going to be writing about. A thesis statement is going to express your opinion about the prompt, and it tells us your opinion in a main idea. It tells the reader what major points they can expect to read in the paper. So normally, when you guys are writing an essay, you have a 5-paragraph essay. You have your introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and your conclusion. Your thesis statement is always the last sentence of your introduction paragraph. Now, your thesis statement is a little different than your assertion or topic sentence. For assertion or topic sentence, it's the same thing. So 1 minute I might call it assertion, 1 minute I might call it topic sentence. So don't get confused by that. The assertion and topic sentence are the same. Your assertion or topic sentence is the first sentence of your body paragraph. Okay, so your thesis statement is the last sentence in your introduction, but the assertion or topic sentence is the first sentence of the body paragraphs. And the topic sentence talks about one of the major points that we find in the thesis. It has to connect all the information in that body paragraph back to the thesis. So it connects it back to that introduction paragraph. And the topic sentence helps us control the focus of the paragraph. Sometimes it's easy for us to get off topic when we're writing, but that topic sentence helps us stay focused so that we know what we're writing about, and it keeps us on that train of thought. The topic sentence, that opening paragraph or that opening sentence in your body paragraph, does not contain textual evidence. That is so important. Your topic sentence does not have evidence. You save the evidence for the rest of the body paragraph. Now, I told you in the first slide that your topic sentence is made up of 3 things: the concrete, the abstract, and strong verbs. So let's break it down to see what I mean. Concrete. In order to understand how to effectively write a topic sentence, you need to know the difference between concrete and abstract. So concrete, we're right here, refers to things that can appeal to one or more of your 5 senses. And your 5 senses, I've listed them at the bottom. Hearing. So can you hear something? Can you see it? Can you smell it? Can you touch it? Or can you taste it? The concrete, a good way to remember what concrete is to think of like a concrete sidewalk. Can I see a concrete sidewalk? Well, of course. Can I touch it? Yes, if you're walking on it. Concrete, actual concrete, is physical. So a concrete idea is something that is physical, is tangible. And as a writer, you want to use concrete words because they give the reader a more specific, concrete image. Your job as a writer is to paint a picture in your reader's head. And so you use those concrete words to give that a very clear picture for them. So in today's activity, we're going to be looking at concrete details that we can see. Things like colors. Colors are concrete, again, because it appeals to our sight, one of the 5 senses. Now, the abstract is a little harder for people to understand because abstract is dealing with ideas and feelings. Abstract ideas and feelings are not physical. They are not concrete, tangible existence. Abstract is an idea or feeling. So here are some examples. Love. I feel love. I can feel it in my heart, but I can't put my hands on it. Fear, I can feel it in my heart, just like happiness, sadness, and anger, but these are not things that I can see. Now, let's talk about happiness. You might say, oh, but that person is smiling. I see the smile. The smile is concrete, but the happiness that caused the smile, that's abstract. Fear. So I just took my dogs to the vet today. Y'all, it was a thing. My dog was scared out of her mind. She used the bathroom all over the place. She hid under the chair. I've never seen her act like this before, but she was very clearly afraid. I could see her shaking. I could see when she used the bathroom in the floor. That part was concrete. But the fear that led to that, that's abstract. In today's activity, we're going to be looking at the abstract through symbolism. Symbolism means that it represents something, the meaning behind colors. The actual color is concrete. I can see the color. But the symbolism and meaning behind the color, that's abstract. If you need a little extra information, a little extra practice on the difference between concrete and abstract, you can click on my Bitmoji right here, and you can watch a little bit of an extra YouTube video. Okay, activity 1. So you see with numbers 1 and 2, I've already done this, okay? I'm going to talk about it with you. We're going to read the following thesis statement, which is right here. And then we're going to read the assertion and topic sentences and answer the questions that go along with it. So our thesis statement, this right here. In Ray Bradbury's novel, Dandelion Wine, shades of yellow, white, and green establish the connection between life and death. So, question number 1 says, what is the opinion stated here? And I put in parentheses, the opinion refers to the abstract idea. Again, an abstract idea is the symbolism or meaning behind something. Abstract, we cannot see it, we can't touch it, it's not physical. Okay? So, we need to look for the symbolism in this sentence. What is being symbolized? Well, the thing that's being symbolized is the connection between life and death. And oh goodness. Now, I was just in present mode. When you're trying to type into the text box, your page needs to look like this. It cannot be in present. I'm actually going to narrow this down to make it a little easier for you guys. What is the opinion stated here? The connection between life and death is the abstract idea. Number 2, this is easier because it's physical. That's my cat. What are the concrete elements that will provide textual evidence to support the abstract idea? He just got home from the vet too. He's not very happy. So what are the concrete elements that will provide textual evidence that supports what we just identified? What can we see? Well, I can see the shades of yellow, I can see the white, and I can see the green. Okay. So this is another example that has already been done for you. We're going to examine the assertion or topic sentence, which is right here. And then we're going to answer the following questions. I've already answered them, so we're just going to talk over it. Okay? We need to find the concrete, abstract, and then some strong verbs. So number 3, what's the concrete? Oh, sorry, didn't read the assertion or topic sentence. Shades of yellow symbolize a link between the sunshine of summer and youth. I'm going to read that again. Shades of yellow symbolize a link between the sunshine of summer and youth. What's the concrete? What can I see? I told you before that the concrete in today's activity is going to refer to colors. So what can I see? I I can see shades of yellow. We know what yellow looks like. Think of yellow flowers. Think of the sun. What is the abstract? What is being symbolized with these colors? What do the colors symbolize? Well, here's the word symbolize. Shades of yellow symbolize a link between summer and youth. And then number 5, what verb connects the concrete to the abstract? What is joining shades of yellow to the link between sunshine of summer and yellow? The word symbolize. Now, you see right here it says you do. Here's another assertion or topic sentence, and you've got to answer these 3 questions. White, on the other hand, represents the connection between the fading of summer and the coming of death. I'll read it one more time. White, on the other hand, represents the connection between the fading of summer and the coming of death. What is the concrete? What can I see in this? So what color is the focus? Number 7, what is the abstract? What does the color represent? What does it symbolize? And then what verb connects the color to the symbolism? What verb connects the color to the symbolism? Let's keep going. So we're going to practice again. Here's your assertion or topic sentence. Most vivid and most common of all, green suggests a relationship between the life force of youth and its ability to defeat death. We'll read it again. Most vivid and most common of all, green suggests a relationship between the life force of youth and its ability to defeat death. What is the concrete? What color can I see? So what is physical? What color? What is the abstract? What does the color suggest? What is it symbolizing? And then what verb connects the concrete to the abstract? What verb connects the color to its meaning? Okay, so this is activity 2, selecting assertions and topic sentences. I'm actually going to do a second video to cover this one.